Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a typewriter text effect in Hostinger website builder. This is the effect that you will get with after seeing this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, click on websites list. Then click on this edit website button next to your website built on Hostinger website builder. Just a quick tip: if you have lots of different websites in this list and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is an WordPress website icon, and this is a Hostinger website builder website icon. Now click on this edit website. Let's say you want to greet your homepage visitors with a little sentence. Just click just add a new section. Go with a blank one. Now let's make it a little bit shorter. Then add a new element, which is this embed code element. Drag and drop it here and hit enter code. Delete this default one and copy this HTML code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do it, just let me know in the comments below. Paste this code here and hit embed code. As you can see, it automatically shows you the result. I will make it a little bit wider and update again. Now let's view this website live. As you can see, this is the typewriter text effect. Now let's see how to edit this the color, for example, of this section or of this text. Just go. This is the typewriter container. Here you can edit the text font family. For example, you can change it to Tahoma, for example, and so on. You can also edit it. Let's make it now the text font was slightly changed. Let's go with let's make the text a little bit smaller. You can edit the text size from here. I will the overflow, border right, display, animation. And to edit this text or to change this text, this is what you need to edit. Let's add a number 2 here. As you can see, this is my updated text. Now I think that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, or before that, if you're a little bit of the design change that you can do is to select this section, edit the background color from here. You can make it a little bit easy to distinguish like that. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. or to give this section a pop. I will refresh this site. As you can see, now it is easier to see the greeting. I hope that was clear for you. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.